In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Godaddy account username and password. To begin, sign into your Godaddy account. Make sure you are using the correct account before changing any login details, especially if you manage more than one website or service. Once you are logged in, look to the top right corner of the page. There, click on your name or current username to open the account menu. From that drop-down, select Account Settings. After that, go to the menu options inside your account settings and click Security. This is the section where Godaddy lets you manage important login and access details for your account. Take a moment to review the page so you can clearly see both the username and password areas before making any changes. First, find the username section and click Edit. A text field will appear where you can enter your new username. Type in the username you want to use going forward. Make sure it is something easy for you to remember, but still appropriate for account security and account management. Once you have entered the new username, click Save to apply the change. Next, stay in the security section and locate the password area. Click Edit to begin updating your password. You will first need to enter your current password to confirm your identity. After that, type in your new password and then enter it again to confirm it. It is a good idea to create a strong password that is difficult to guess. In general, a strong password should be unique and should not be reused across other accounts. After entering and confirming the new password, click Save. Once both changes are saved, your Godaddy login details will be updated. Be sure to remember your new username and password the next time you sign in. If you use a password manager, this is also a good time to update your saved login information there so you do not run into sign-in issues later. That covers everything you need to know.